Today I'm announcing 5 winners for 5 shares of GoPro stocks. Make sure to stay tuned to find out if you won and how you can get entered in next month's competition. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I'm Ken Kernen from 80/20 Investing. And so every month I'll do a stock giveaway where I give away a few shares of stock to people who are subscribed and comment on my videos. So on this video, I believe about 25 people commented, and so I'll be using a random number generator right now to pick these individuals, and basically the most recent comment gets a number 1, the highest comment gets a number 23 because I posted 2 comments on this video. So we can just get started, and yeah, make sure I'll be doing this every month or so. So next month is August, and so make sure if you miss this giveaway, you can always comment on the next one. But let's quickly get into this. So the first is number 4. So we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alan, so you won one. The second person to win is 10. So we can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 2. Number 22. Wow. So we can just do, okay, so dollar a day. I believe that's what we do, dollar a day fitness. You won. And then I believe we have 2 more shares to give away. So number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So that's Landon. You won, and then there's one more winner, and that'll be number 15. So let's count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that what we got? 15? So Akash, congratulations. Great, so those are the 5 winners. I posted the directions in the comments on how to message me. YouTube now has a messaging app you can use, and you'll just want to send me your PayPal address so I can send you the $650 so you can buy some GoPro stock. Congrats to the winners. Thank you so much for everyone's support channel. We're quickly going to hit 1,000 subscribers very, very soon, so I'm super pumped about that. And then make sure to just stay tuned, because next month I'll be doing the same exact thing with multiple shares, and all you have to do is be subscribed by hitting notification bell and then commenting on that video in the beginning of August. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you all in the video tomorrow.